Hey everybody, welcome into Rock Painting 101. I have a quick and easy fun tutorial for you. This is a great one to do in batches if you like to hide rocks around town. It's also a good tutorial to use on maybe your slightly more bumpy or lumpy rocks because there's not a lot of fine details. But they're grumpy little monsters and they're so much fun. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you do. Leave suggestions for tutorials in the comments, and you can subscribe at any time during the video to the channel if you haven't already by clicking the little subscribe button in the corner. So I find inspiration all over the place, you guys. I saw a project. It was a construction paper kind of project, and it made me think that would make a fast and easy, adorable rock. So we're making what I'm calling my grumpy monster rocks here. They're really fun and adorable. So I've got 4 different colors here. I got a light color to go in the back. I'm gonna kind of bounce back and forth here a little bit. And then I have a darker color to go in the front. And these are super easy. This is one of those rocks you can sit and paint a bunch of. Do them in batches and hide them around town, or this would go good. You could add these to some Halloween rocks if you're passing out Halloween rocks. So we're going to do the top light, and then we're going to match it with the bottom being dark. And you can make these in any shape you like. Once you see the whole design, you can definitely mix and match your colors or just the way you have it set up size-wise. Okay, so these have dried. I've got 2 monsters ready to go. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add our eyes on, just because we're going to be going on top of some color. It might take a couple layers. Now you can do 1 big eye, you can do 2 eyes, 3 eyes, however many you want. We're going to give this guy just 1 big eye so you can see the difference. Now, try not to swirl too much. See, I did pick up a little green. So second layer, I'll make sure to kind of dab it on a little more. But I just want to get this white going so it can dry. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add on some teeth. And again, you can have as many as you want. You just go right along this seam. He's going to have 3 teeth. We're going to go opposite. We're going to give the one-eyed monster 3 teeth. Again, make sure you don't pick up any green on there. And how about we give the blue one with 2 eyes 1 giant tooth. Okay. And now we're just going to start to line our monsters. So I've got my black 1M here, and all we're going to do is we're going to make it kind of a sketchy edge so it kind of looks furry. So just kind of let that rock kind of bump your black along that line, and then we're going to just basically outline the rest of it just with that same kind of texture, and just bumping it along to create that border. Nice sharp line on the tooth. Make sure you don't pick up any white. I did a little bit there, but we'll touch that up. And then we're going to do the same thing along this back area. Okay. Outline those eyes. And then once we've got those outlined, we're going to add on our bushy eyebrows. I know he looks kind of silly because he's missing his pupil. Those will definitely make it. I'm going to outline this one here in a second too. I'm also really quickly going to do a second layer on those eyes in there once my black is dry. Just because I want those whites to pop before we add our pupils in on them. So I'll speed some of this up and we'll be right back. But these are just so much fun because they're so easy to do. And I'm doing this on nice lumpy, bumpy rocks. these are the rocks I got from the landscaping company. If you're unfamiliar with that, I'll leave a link to that video here for you. Talks about where to get different rocks. So these are my grumpy little monsters. We're going to bring this eyebrow just down a little bit more on this guy. I want him to be grumpier. We'll take his eyebrow up and away there. There we go. This guy's eyebrow. Aren't these fun? So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, everybody. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you think. Have an enjoyable time painting these guys, and we'll see you soon with another tutorial here on Rock Painting 101. Bye-bye.